How to sharpen a fuzzy photo on iPhone for free. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Here, swipe left and tap on the sharpness icon. Drag the slider to set the sharpness level to 100. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily sharpen a fuzzy photo on iPhone for free. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.